Crypto Kids, today we're going to be talking about why I've started to reallocate into Ethereum. We got the retest to the very important $4,000 level today. We spoke about the importance of flipping the previous resistance of $4,000, which Ethereum struggled for years to break above, into support. And in the event that we get a reversal candle, I mentioned that I will be allocating more into Ethereum. So today, we do have an update on that, and I want to talk you through my thoughts and opinions on that Ethereum 4K retest. We also want to talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin testing almost exactly the 11.9 level we mentioned over the past few videos. We missed it by a few bucks, basically, but we're getting a retest. If we break above this level, that is when trouble begins. And I want to tell you if I think that will be the case or not. So stick around until the end of today's video. It's not going to be a super long video. Guys, I'm like destroyed. I've been traveling for the past like 17 hours. We've made it to Bali for the CoinFest conference. And apparently this conference is the second largest conference in Asia after Token 2049. So I'm excited to see it tomorrow. If you guys are around, make sure to come and say hi. I'll be around the conference in the afternoon time. And yeah, this is Crypto Kid, completely sleep deprived. Now I'm much more brighter because I've had a few Americanos. So there's more caffeine in my system to go and make these videos. However, a few hours back, that wasn't the case. Anyways, enough talking, guys. If you appreciate these videos, make sure to destroy the like button. Again, another video with 640 likes. You're absolutely fantastic for smashing the like button. It's very, very appreciated on my end. Make sure to subscribe for daily content, and if you want free VIP level 2 status on weeks, that gives you 25% off trading fees. You can sign up using the first link in the description down below and get a free $1,000 worth of an Ethereum trade. I've been saying, hey, look, if you want to use this free $1,000 Ethereum trade, start placing some long limit orders at 4,000 and 4,160. Why those levels? Because we had $8 billion worth of liquidity piling up at 4.1 and 4,000. We tweeted about it yesterday. We spoke about on the Moonshow channel, the Crypto channel, how Ethereum will hit that level and why it's so important. We've done exactly that, and following a retest to our trend line, we are back to 4.3K. Guys, I think this is pretty significant. Can we drop lower to lower price levels? Absolutely, it's possible. The Head and Shoulders target technically lies at 3.9. and we're still technically in a downtrend. But if we can break above this downtrend for Ethereum, and it's shaping to look like a bull flag now, I will be adding massively to my long positions. Let's see by tomorrow what happens if we can see a breakout above 4.360 with a 4-hourly confirmation. I think Ethereum can literally go all the way up to $5,000 thanks to this technical pattern. So let's have a look at its targets. It lies at $5,500. So be careful for this. It's still Ethereum season, and this could very much happen. So tomorrow's update video will be crucial. If we can see a break above this resistance, then 5.5K is going to be the target for Ethereum. It all depends if the price action can break above 4,360. But regardless, I would be buying now. I think buying Ethereum and adding to your spot portfolio now, in my personal opinion, makes a lot of sense because I like the way that this weekly candle is shaping up to be. You saw the retest, the crucial line of prior resistance, which Ethereum couldn't break out of for so many years. Now you've broken above it, you've tested it with a wick, and if we can sustain above that line of prior resistance for 2 weeks, then I think the $8,000 target we have for Ethereum for the Bitcoin catch-up trade just makes so much sense. And opening positions now, DCing now, can yield you pretty good results if you, I mean, obviously nothing in this video is financial advice, but if you do your risk management in a proper way, then by the end of Q1 of 2026, I think Ethereum can give you good, potentially, returns. If you want to open long positions on Ethereum without risking your own money, then you can use the first link in the description for today's video to get a completely free $1,000 equivalent of an Ethereum trade to go ahead and open those positions if you don't want to risk your own money. The tutorial to claim that $1,000 trade is linked on the second video right below the first link. Going to the Bitcoin prices very quickly, we're bouncing off of that level we discussed over the past few days. If we break above below 11.9, that will be scary. But so far, so good. Let's see if we can hold it into tomorrow. And yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow's update video. It's going to be an important one. And guys, with that said, I'm just gonna go to bed because I'm really destroyed. So I'm looking forward to sleeping. And yeah, I'll see you in CoinFest if you're around. Take care, guys. And as always, bye bye.